Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials so pairing works. Install Smart Life, sign in, and make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location because the app sometimes uses them for discovery. Power the smart device and put it into factory pairing mode. Typically hold the reset button until the LED blinks rapidly. This immediate prep avoids common hangs and lets you move straight into device edition without guessing. You'll now add the device inside Smart Life. Tap Add Device, choose the exact device type or model because similar names use different protocols. Next, the app asks for your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password. Type them carefully and avoid using a guest or 5 GHz network. If the app prompts for permissions, grant them so discovery completes. Then watch the device LED for a success pattern. Once the app confirms, the device joins your network and appears in your device list. Finish by naming the device and assigning it to a room so automations stay organized. This matters when you use voice assistants. Once added, check for firmware updates in the device settings and create scenes or schedules to automate behavior. If you want voice control, link Smart Life to Alexa, Google Assistant, or other services and test a simple command. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle and factory reset the device. Then retry pairing from a different phone or after toggling your router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.